What are you doing?
We're getting strong and healthy. That's why we're using exercise.
Aren't you tired?
No.
Grace, are you going to exercise?
I'm exercising in my swimsuit. I like to exercise in my swimsuit.
You do?
Yes. Every day. Grace is going to get. Let's see who wins, Monkey.
Are you going to run on the treadmill?
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win, Mommy.
What are you going to win?
I'm gonna win a medal. Just
Oh.
like you.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
What kind of medal?
A green medal.
Oh, good. Okay, that's probably enough, honey. You gotta be getting tired.
No, I'm not. Grace is not getting tired.
I don't know, she looks tired to me. Hey, Grace, do you want to go run on the treadmill? Grace, oh, you want to put on Daddy's shoes? Why can't you come?
Because we're exercising. I'm exercising. Grace.
I know, but you've been exercising for a while. I think that's enough.
I'm getting big and strong. That's why I use a lot of exercises.
Oh, that's why you're doing a lot of exercises?
Yes.
I think you are big and strong.
But not yet.
Not yet?
So you have to do healthy things.
Oh, good.